Smart conveyance is the powerful combination of integrated features and functionality in one easy-to-use platform. With SuperTrak Conveyance, you fundamentally change the way you design your industrial automation system. It allows you to reduce complexities, making it easier to develop and deploy with less risk. The modularity of the platform allows you to easily deploy or redeploy the system as product demand grows or your applications change without the need for complex reprogramming. Individually controlled shuttles optimize functionality and provide the ability to create flexible process flows. By offering the ability to control destinations, velocity, and acceleration. Shuttles are easily added or removed from the system and are automatically assigned a destination target and an ID before the PLC takes control. Unlike traditional conveyance, the SuperTrak Conveyance platform allows for asynchronous control of the shuttles. What that means is that you can move from a 1-up to a 2-up process without duplicating stations or adding buffers. Now you are able to reduce the amount of needed equipment, and your cycle time is no longer limited by your slowest station, resulting in more throughput and a reduced footprint. Multi-pitch operation offers similar results. Individually controlled shuttles allow for the flexibility to alter your pitch, which reduces the space needed for tooling and, in effect, shrinks your overall system footprint. With rapid 4G acceleration and speeds of up to 4 meters per second, parts spend more time in process, resulting in reduced cycle times and more throughput. By taking advantage of the platform's low settling time, tooling can start to work immediately, getting your parts through the stations with more precision and speed. Pre-arrival notifications can also indicate the time until a shuttle arrives in a station, so tooling can start moving prior to its arrival, which also minimizes cycle time. Manufacturers can utilize on-the-fly functionality. Change the shuttle length after placing a part with a different geometry, or quickly performing a vision inspection without stopping. SuperTrak's unique combination of speed, precision, and independent shuttle control can be utilized by manufacturers to achieve higher performance automation with less risk due to the amount of integrated functionality packed into the platform. To learn more, visit www.supertrakconveyance.com.